Mining Disrupt 2023 coverage is brought to you by our sponsors, Dynex Coin, Hivon, Conceal Network, Alephium, Jingle Mining, Yeti Audits, Deep Miners Pool, The Beginner's Block, Dogelord Coffee, and WhatToMine.com. Check out our sponsors linked in this video's description. And we're back again, this time at the Foghashing. I think this is the Foghashing and Bitmars booth. This is like a small scale setup of what the Foghashing container would be.
BC40.
The BC40, 20, and 10. So those are different models,
Yeah,
right? 10 small
container.
scale, 20, and then 40 is a big boy. And obviously you can see here, they have their dry coolers plumbed in to their container.
The home mining.
Right.
Run at home, C2.
That's going to be coming to my channel soon. And then that's the, what is that? For the M50? M1.
Yes, M1, yeah.
We're working for M50.
Okay.
So
C2, which we just saw, and then that's the M1, right?
Yeah, it's for the
It's
newer
for the
Watts
M1.
miners.
That's okay. That's
yeah,
the newer
it's
Watts
for the
miner.
new Watts miner. Yeah.
Like the M50.
Yeah, M50,
53?
56. Yeah, 56.
Okay. And look at all the perforated edge inside. It's much more perforated than the C1. So they optimized the design down there to let more fluid through. Oh wow, look at that pump, dude. Good God, that's good stuff right there.
That's the way to go.
Good stuff.
And they have it plumbed directly into that one as well.
Oh, okay.
That's crazy.
those are a big one.
Yeah, that's definitely a big dry cooler.
That's the one that comes with the C2 units currently, right?
The same thing.
Yeah.
C2 use this one, M1 also use this one.
And it'll also use that one M1 for that?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, that might be of a little bit of a, okay, that's what you were talking about. That's what you were talking about.
But this one is the three-phase, not for home. This
Yeah.
for home.
Yeah, this for home. But the problem is you just said that this dry cooler comes with this. That's what we're just trying to figure out. This dry cooler comes with this C2.
Yeah, that's right.
I'm gonna need a bigger concrete
I told you
pad.
how big it was, dude.
Dude, I did not believe it. I did not believe you.
I said it was big, man.
What size?
C6? Really? So double the size? Triple? So 6 fans?
C6 is bigger.
Oh, wow. Just in case you don't know, I'm in the works on something for the C2. And hopefully we'll have that soon. And you can see we got one Watts miner down there, but we're gonna hopefully have another ASIC
S19.
to fit in here. So now we're gonna have 2 ASICs, and we're gonna need that dry cooler, but look at the size of this damn dry cooler. So yeah, we're gonna need to figure out something for the garage, because we're gonna run the pipe outside the garage wall, and then have to put this on a concrete pad somewhere. That's what I'm gonna have to figure out. And Mikhail was warning me about this, and I did not understand. I just wanted to fill you in on what that was, okay? But yeah, we've been walking around various parts and places so far, and we saw that your setup. And what a
Well, this is our upper stuff. You know, this is a 40-footer container. So this is a model for it, and for each container
Right.
you can fit up to 384 ASICs in
For
each
the
container.
BC40?
BC40, yeah.
The big boy.
No, actually, this is for the. I'm talking about 380 is gonna be for ASICs.
yeah.
Like S19 or the newer version.
So 384 amp miners or 480 Watts miners, and that's
right.
for the M50, M30,
yeah.
because they're more slimmer.
Yeah.
So question, the 10, the smaller one,
Right.
right? The smaller one of these, which is like
Yeah.
half that size.
So 1/4 of it.
Is it only one dry cooler, like one of these? Only one for the small one?
Yeah, probably for 2, I guess.
Probably 2?
Yeah.
Okay.
But it depends on what capacity you want to run.
Right.
Sometimes, you know, if you have bigger water cool tower, maybe one is enough for all this.
Gotcha.
Yeah, yeah.
And don't you have one of these deployed already out in, I forgot where it was. What
Abu
country?
Dhabi.
Huh?
Abu Dhabi.
Yeah, yeah,
and
yeah.
Also one in Australia.
I saw some pictures.
Yeah.
It looks good.
Well, we have a project going on there with a nuclear power station. So they have so much abundant
Power,
powers.
yeah.
Also improve our capacity of reducing the heat because this desert area is so hot. So
It's real dry.
yeah,
stuff.
very dry too. Yeah. So the water cool is not an option. They knock out water because of that.
Right, yeah.
Not in Australia.
Yeah. The moisture would get sucked out immediately. It wouldn't do its job properly. Yeah.
That's right.
So this is the Foghashing booth. I'm just going to continue talking with our friends and colleagues. So thank you so much for checking us out. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell to stay up to date on what's going on. Check out the links in the description for everybody that helps support us and get us here, and I'll catch you next one. Take care.